Hey, Sports and Entertainment Marketing. Here's the plan for the week. So, working on that amusement park slideshow, there's a lot that goes into it, and we move along at a pretty quick pace. So, you're going to want to make sure that you're not getting far behind, like not taking advantage of the sort of like open-ended structure. For, like, you got to have slides 1 through 6 done already. Like, you should have had that done on Friday. So then today your plan is to go through 7 to 13. So definitely not a whole lot of room for slacking. You don't have to have it like beautiful and perfect, but you do need to have your basic info and the images that you're going to have on there, okay? And you should already have like a theme picked out if you're going to do that, or kind of like an idea of what you want it to look like. So then Thursday you're going to have a sub, but you're going to just keep working on this. You should be through slides 1 all the way through 13. And if you're not, then the morning time is the time to work on that. And then 14 through 17 on that day. I believe that's like the snacks and the food places. And then you can actually look ahead and see like the rest of the school year here if you want to. But yeah, basically like slides 18 through 21 that next Monday, and then slides 22 through 25, which is the end of the slideshow, but like literally that gets you right up through next Wednesday, just like plugging away at it like that. And then there's just 2 days of time to kind of like refine it and make it look nice and unified all together. And then it's finals week right after that. So, oops, I don't know if I actually changed that. Hold on a second. Oh, right. Yeah. Okay, so start unifying your formatting of your slides right there. And then on that first week of June, you've got 1 more day to do that like finishing up stuff, and then we'll probably start presentations. And there's also going to be, for your final, there's going to be like a Google form that is having you remember a bunch of different like definitions of different things we've talked about during class. So you might have the option to do that early if you want to. So definitely just keep making good progress on those presentations, and yeah, we might be presenting these for each other. I think that'd be kind of a cool way to wrap up the year. We'll figure it out. But yeah, definitely keep a good pace. I'll see you guys today in class. Okay, bye.